What is up, Jatie fam, and welcome back to Prank Wars. Today I'm going to be getting Katie back for the prank she pulled on me a couple days ago where she lost her memory. She got me good, so it's time to get her good. Currently at Katie's mom's work right now to pick something up for the prank.
Cause I even got her mom in on the prank.
Let's go, baby. It's payback time. All right, Karen, what do we got?
They honk at me.
So do you understand the prank? You think you get it?
Honk at me. Honk.
I'm gonna tape these on the back of her car.
Katie doesn't know.
And she doesn't know. And people are gonna honk at her. She's gonna get mad.
She's gonna be like, what the heck? Yeah, let's go.
Make it lit. Hey, Team Josh.
Hashtag. Team Karen.
No, Team Josh.
Oh, team.
We're just against Katie. Let's go. All right, Karen, come on. We're gonna put it on the back of her car. And yeah, hopefully she'll get mad. All right, guys, this is the setup we got. We got Honk here. We got Honk at me for a prank. And we got honk at me, honk at me, honk at me, honk at me, honk at me!
Team Josh, baby, let's go!
Sorry, Katie, I love you.
What's up, Jatie fam?
What up, Jatie fam?
My name is Katie.
It's your boy, Josh.
And today's video is gonna be super exciting because we are going to his house. Well, no, we're going to get your brother from
my
your
little
house.
brother.
And then we're gonna be filming. Tell him.
We're gonna see who knows me better.
But we're gonna do an extreme edition. So basically, the loser has like a punishment, and like each time you get something wrong, something's gonna happen.
I like
You'll
this.
have to see.
It's going down.
Yeah, so we're on
Can
our
I
way
pick the
right
punishment?
now. Yeah, sure.
All right, bet.
What the hell?
Yo, JD fam, someone keeps honking at Katie and like we don't know why.
No, it's freaking pissing me off. This guy behind me keeps honking me and I'm going like 5 over.
You won't fight him though for the vlog.
I won't fight him for the vlog, but this pisses me off.
Oh, we're coming. It's red. It's red. Yeah, whatever.
Oh my god, I'm so...
Why does he keep honking at you?
I don't know. They're literally...
Oh my god! Fight
They
him!
keep like, I'm right next to each other. They're just looking at me. I don't think I know
They're
that.
literally like staring at her. What do we do? Oh my god, no.
I feel so awkward.
Ah!
Jeez!
Are you mad, bro? Why are you mad? I ain't never seen her get mad.
I'm mad because I didn't do anything wrong driving. I literally get so annoyed every time you like yell at me. You always are like, oh, you didn't do this or you didn't do that. But I'm a good driver, so I get defensive because I'm actually a good driver.
Why you always lying? Oh my god.
Look, she's not the best driver, JD fam, and I always give her crap. Okay, I always joke about it with her. Like,
Wait, I'm not the best?
I'm the best, I am.
I am not one of those like
I am the best.
No, for real.
Wow, okay. No, she's actually a good driver for a girl. Not saying girls aren't good drivers, but you know what I'm saying.
You totally just posted, as all of the JD fam is mostly girls, but not anymore. We got some guys coming in. Comment down below if you're a guy.
You savage, bro. But anyways.
What the hell? Oh my god! Again? This is a freaking different person. Alright, I'm pissed. Well, I'm literally like, do you think my gas cap's open?
Oh, that maybe your
even
brake
see
light
it.
could be out. Just keep driving. It might be the same person. It's a different person? I wonder why they're honking. David.
No, because I thought it was a person.
Did you just hear someone honk again? Maybe it's because you're not going and the light is yellow.
I did! I'm not doing anything!
This is too fun. Oh my god. Yo, we're getting vlog content and we haven't even gotten to my house yet.
I know!
We
We should do like a new one. Jesus! That lady almost freaking hit me! What's going on?
And maybe this
Is
might
girl
be it.
following me?
I may be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but if everyone's honking at you, and not just one person, but multiple people are honking at you, maybe it's you. Maybe it's
It is not me, okay? I've not done anything wrong, and no one has honked at me yet, but I swear it's been different people.
It is not me. As she tries to vlog and drive, don't vlog and drive! We just driving and vlogging and vlogging and driving. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me?
You freaking feel me, bro? Jeez, no, okay, what the hell?
Oh shoot!
I
What
need
did
to
you
pull
do
over.
wrong?
I'm pulling over. Do you think
Why?
like my taillight's out or something?
It's probably your gas cap. Here, let me check.
I can see my gas cap now.
It's shut.
It's shut.
Here, you stay in the driver's seat, and I'll tell you when to press the brake, and like if it's messed up or not, I'll tell you. All right, let me go check, girlfriend.
All right.
I don't know. Hit the left one. Yeah, it's good. Try the right one. Try the right one, babe. Hit your brakes. No, you're good.
Guys, I literally am so confused. I'm so freaking annoyed. I swear it can't be my driving. This has never happened. I mean, a couple people have helped.
You think it's because you have your Snapchat code on the back of it? Of your car?
I've always had my Snapchat code on the back of my car.
Oh, okay. Well, sorry for me like trying to make reason out of it. Maybe it's your bad driving, bro.
It's not. I swear if one more person freaking honks at me, I'm getting out of my car.
And I'm gonna beat him! She's a savage, she's gonna beat him up. Yeah,
It's literally so freaking gross outside.
I know.
At least it's, okay, for once in Michigan, it's finally freaking warm.
Look, JD fam, it's 40 degrees in Michigan and people are saying it's warm.
What the hell? I'm literally going the speed limit. Stop! So why is this funny? I'm literally
She's got road rage!
Oh!
Another one!
I'm going 5 freaking over.
Yo, everyone's passing you and honking.
Oh my god!
Another one!
Screw you, dude! I'm so... Okay.
Alright,
I need to calm down.
girlfriend.
I literally am getting... Why is he looking at me? Don't look at me. He didn't even honk me. He freaking looked at me. What did you do?
Probably because you a cute girl in a Jeep. I mean, if I drove by, I will look at you too. Damn! You know?
Are you doing something to me?
Yeah, I'm doing something to you.
What?
Ah! Everyone's looking at me. Literally everyone. What'd you do? I know you did something.
Why was he
Did you
laughing
do
at
something?
you?
I don't know.
Wait, check your face. Check your face. You might have something on your face. No, you cute.
What'd you do? I don't believe this. You're pranking me.
What do you mean?
You're
How would I be pranking you?
I don't know, but what?
I called all these people and they're like, hey, at this time, on this day, drive by my girlfriend for a prank.
Yeah.
You think I did that? That's what you think I did?
Yeah.
Look, your boy's a savage, but he's not that savage.
I am a savage.
I'm here with Katie Betsy, and how do you feel after getting honked at by multiple people on the highway?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
Oh my god, this is fun. This is
This
fun.
is like freaking stressful. I'm so annoyed.
Let's just get some B-roll of you just being mad.
Oh, no, 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 no.
JD fan.
What did you do to me?
She's angry.
I'm angry.
She's angry, watch out.
I don't believe you. You're recording it. I know it's some sort of prank, but I don't freaking know what kind.
Well, I'm recording it because it's funny.
Because now I feel
we
like...
got that vlog content.
Since you pranked me so much, I've been like watching YouTube videos to see like what kind of pranks you would be doing.
Nobody's safe.
And I don't know.
No one's safe.
Ah, he's looking at me
Not
too.
even
He
you.
literally was staring at me.
He was staring at you because you're cute, bro.
No one stares at me like this.
I do.
Oh my god. I swear.
Oh my god. Look at her butt.
Yo, bro, you better get off my butt.
Oh, why is he riding your butt?
Get off my girl's butt, dude. What are you doing, man?
Come on, man. Get off her cake.
I cannot wait to freaking get out of this car. I am going to inspect my car, inspect you. You're pranking me. I know you're doing some sort of stupid thing, and I'm freaking annoyed.
Honestly, maybe it's because we're vlogging and driving. They're honking at you because they see you looking at the camera.
Oh, yeah, because it's not like everyone else texts and drive. That's cool. Just you go ahead, you do your texting, and you drive. But no, if my boyfriend...
I'm gonna do my vlogging.
I'm gonna do my vlog, okay?
I'm gonna
I'm
do my vlog.
gonna do my dance. Well, you know you love it. Skirt. Alright. No, I'm not gonna drive to your house anymore. I'm pulling over.
Babe.
You did something to my car.
No, come on.
You did.
Alex is only gonna shoot the video with us for so long. Like,
It'll take 5 minutes. I'm not. I know my boyfriend. He's pranking me. I know it. I'm not dumb.
This is gonna be so funny when we get out of the car and nothing's wrong with your car.
No, I'm gonna freaking interrogate you and I'm gonna find out what freaking happened to my car and what you did.
I'm telling you, girl.
Nope.
Do your thing. Let's get out. Let's get out. Okay, cool. I bet. What's the problem? What's the... Welcome back to Let's go. I did. You just got pranked.
You're walking home.
Yes.
Walking home.
Yeah,
there,
babe, stop. Quit playing. Babe, quit playing. Don't play with me. Don't. Babe.
Babe, you're sorry.
Babe, come on. Ah! Babe, come on. Are you serious? Are you for real? Babe. Babe. Come on. Come on. Babe, don't do this. You're not leaving me. No, stop. Stop. Ah! Babe, she angry, guys. She mad. Jatie Vlogs is coming to an end. Oh my God.
Alright, babe.
What, babe? What? I'm sorry. Do you forgive me? Babe. Babe. Do you forgive me?
No!
Stop it.
I didn't even take them off my freaking car. Move. Watch out for that car. Actually, just kidding. You can get hit.
Alright, so.
Ah!
I'm here with Katie Betsing and you just got pranked. How's it feel?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because
Prank War Champion, baby! Prank War Champion! Yeah!
This was a good one though because I've never seen this freaking prank.
Yeah, well, you just got pranked. Hey, girlfriend.
What?
Guess what?
What?
You want the good news or the bad news?
The bad.
Just kidding, there's only bad news. So you know how this was like a prank or whatever? My brother can't even film today, like that was a prank too.
Hey,
It's a double prank!
I thought we were gonna at least get 2 videos filmed.
Let's go.
I was pissed about this one and then I was like,
buddy.
well, at least there'll be another video.
Buddy.
But then I thought we were like, oh cool, we'll get 2. Wait, he's really not filming it?
You
though?
thought wrong.
Is he really not filming it?
No, you can't today. But JD fam, if you do want to see that video, who knows me better, girlfriend versus brother, then comment down below because we will do that video with the little bro Alex.
Yeah,
So
we're not doing it today, apparently.
Yeah, but not today because we can't.
I'm so over it. Alright, so let me just get something straight. My boyfriend got me in the car.
That's me. Oh, that's me.
Not for long. My boyfriend got me in the car to drive to his house, which is 20 minutes away if I do add in, just to make me turn around and prank me. Like what?
Yeah, buddy. Prank War Champion.
Insert all the pranks I've done to you.
Wow, you're so cool.
A plug. Babe, did you at least freaking plug the giveaway?
No, I forgot.
I can't with him.
I'm fired.
You're pranking me a lot recently. But you know what? This one was a fun prank because I didn't really at first I did not think that would be a prank.
Hey, I have fun. Actually, you tried to kill me with your car, so
that was
really.
I actually, you know, honestly, I had fun too. Like that.
Yeah. Shut up.
Yeah. What I just said.
How
about that? How about that?
Tell me about the giveaway.
Oh, what giveaway? Oh, you mean the vlog camera giveaway?
You mean the vlog camera? You giving away the vlog camera, bro? How are we gonna vlog, dog?
No, we need it back.
Oh.
We're gonna give away our old Canon G7X that we had for a month. So if you guys want to be vloggers, if you want to be part of the JD fam, the JD journey.
What you do? What you do?
What if they don't want to be a
I don't want to be part of the JD.
I honestly don't blame you. But anyway,
I feel it, cause she crazy.
all you guys have to do is be subscribed, click the notification bell, and follow us on the IG, and you are entered to win the vlog camera.
And you can be a winner too. I mean, a winner too. Anyways. Staley. Well, I picked the hardest name to say.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Stary Selma, are you
doing-
watching?
Wait.
Did you just want that notification shout out,
Wait,
girl?
who won?
Stary Selma. You are the winner.
You the winner. And the Instagram shoutouts go to PFox42 and Leah Lawson. You just won.
Wow, she's hyped for
You
y'all.
just won.
She's hyped for y'all. Go crazy. Go crazy. Oh, don't do it. Oh, don't do it.
I'm struggling out here.
Oh my god, that was so scary.
Oh, I think I was like,
Ben, no! Say goodbye! Say goodbye to the vlog! She's gone, and I'm taking over the channel. We'll see you in the next vlog. She's back!